Hello class, welcome to another lesson in the nutrition unit. For this lesson we're going to look at how we design a diet plan to meet your nutritional needs. Now there's a lot of diet plans out there's a lot of people that recommend different things, but it's extremely important that you design a diet plan that meets your individual needs. And what your needs are based on your activity levels, what age you are, gender, and some other factors. For today's lesson, there's no new vocabulary because we've covered most of the vocabulary in other lessons. So today we're going to focus on concepts and determining our daily calorie needs, or BMR, basal metabolic rate, calories burned through exercise, looking at our needs for the different nutrients, and then also how many calories we need in relation to how much calories we burn. So today you're going to do a lot of computing for those different areas. So our first step is we're going to find our daily calorie needs and our basal metabolic rate. And for this you can go to this calculator. If you click on the link on here, you can find the calculator, can find your calorie needs and also your BMR on the same one. Make sure you record these findings in your notes. We'll use them later. The next step is to find our nutritional needs for carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. And we could use the same calculator because it has a tab for nutritional needs. Basically, you enter your calories, and then you can calculate your needs for the different nutrients. Make sure you record this in your notes. Step 3 is we're going to look at how many calories you burn through exercise. Now, what you're going to find is the typical amount of exercise you get in a day. So use the super tracker to look at some different exercises you typically participate and take an average of that, because obviously each day is different. So look at what you typically burn through the week and average that over the days. Make sure to record the average amount of calories you burn through exercise in your notes. The last step in the process, we have to look at the foods we're eating. So think of it, take a typical meal, the foods you eat, and look at the amount of calories that are in each of those foods. This will give you an idea of how much you typically eat at a meal, so we can actually compute how much we're intaking through calories while we're eating. Again, make sure you submit your notes to Schoology for credit, and we're going to use these findings. We're going to take all this information you just found, and in class we're going to create your own personal diet plan. And again, if you have these results and they're accurate, you're going to have a more effective diet plan in class.